Open ocean life, high and low pressure, the oceanic world is starting to get you.
The ocean is alive, the ocean is expanding. Living on the ocean can be demanding.
You bought everything you now own, your iPod, iPad, your iMac Pro.
You don't know where you're going, you get called up on deck.
You don't know what for, so you just shout feck.
Sitting on the porthead, feeling wary. Will it flush away? It can be quite scary.
You want to pump it out, but you block the pipe, so you just stand there.
You just stand there.
You just stand there.
Open ocean, open ocean pressure, open ocean pressure.
Counting down all the minutes into your next meal, it's hard to explain how hungry you can feel.
The mother, Donna, starts to abuse me. Hey mother, I just want some muesli.
Unusual noises, flashing lights, dodgy helming and broken kites.
You know you'll not get much romance when you're wearing we-called underpants.
Check your dry bags, how it smells so bad. What happened to those clean underpants you had?
Trimming the sails, haven't found the speed yet. Skippers on your balls, no time to pee yet. Open ocean, open ocean pressure. Open ocean pressure. Open ocean, open ocean pressure. Open ocean pressure.
So you think maybe you'll become a skipper just to get lots of girls into work for Clipper?
But you couldn't get round without disaster. It looks like you'll never be a great yacht master.
So you don't measure up to the other crews when you're wasted, hungover and you've got the blues?
No one cares, no one sympathises. You just stay in your bunk and do sleep exercises.
High and low pressure.
High and low pressure.
High and low pressure.
Open ocean, open ocean pressure. Open ocean pressure.
Carry on, it's still film.
Open ocean, open ocean pressure. Open ocean pressure.
What are you searching for? Inner self? All you found is decreasing wealth.
You broke your beak end and your shackle. It's the pressure.